We're at el-Kanatir, which is the Arabic name of that place. We don't know the real name of it, but that was a Roman village and later on a Jewish village, including one of the most beautiful synagogues that we're going to visit later on. But you can see the spring here. We have 3 arches, 1, 2, and that's what the third one. But you can see some spring water that entered into kind of a bath. What they did here is something so special, and this is the base of the economic system, or the reason of the existence of that place. They took the flax flour and turned it into clothes, but they whited it. They turned the flax into white. Then in that case, it became to be very special, very expensive, very unique. And if you're talking about the fashion of that time, people pay a lot of money just to wear it. Then they did it here with the limestone, those pools. And soon we're going to visit the center of the village, including the synagogue and el-Kanatir, the Golan Heights. Well, I'm talking about the 5th century. The arches are from before that, but I'm talking about the Jewish place from the 5th century AD and up.